I want to take another look at GameStop. It is taking a big leg lower in the after-hour session. Apparently, we had mentioned that the conference call was going on. It was a remarkably short conference call. Apparently, it lasted about 8 minutes. There was no CFO talk there. The CFO didn't go on the call, and they didn't give any forecasts, Karen. You know, an 8-minute conference call is usually not a very good sign. We did see the stock move lower by as much as 12% at one point on this.
Yeah, this is like no other company, though. Well, maybe there's one or two others, but this is their MO for the call, right? This whole, as Pete said before, this has nothing to do with fundamentals, nothing to do with earnings. And so why spend time talking about that, it seems, since, you know, people don't really want to peg the valuation here to earnings or anything like that. So let's not spend time with it. That shareholder base, you'd think they'd be pretty up in arms if they wanted to hear more. But I don't know. It's crazy. It's about something else completely.
Yeah. All right. It's down 8% right now. Meantime, AMC making a big bet on its future with the help of some serious star power. Check it out.
We come to this place for magic. We come to AMC theaters to laugh, to cry, to care. Because we need that, all of us. That indescribable.
That is AMC's first ever national TV commercial. It features Academy Award winner Nicole Kidman. It hits the airwaves on Sunday. The cost of the ad campaign, $25 million. Guy, I don't know, she was pretty convincing, I thought.
Yeah, money well spent when you're a $25 billion company. You know, listen, it's great. And I'd love to go back to a movie theater. I can't wait to watch the next Top Gun or James, whatever's coming out, without question. Get my milk duds and have a ball. But it's a failed business model. When things were going great for them, it was still a failed business model, and nothing's changed. The only thing that's changed is there's an army of people now behind the stock, which, quite frankly, could be extraordinarily powerful for them. So great job hiring probably Nicole Kidman to do this. And maybe the stock does go higher. But again, just to reiterate, the whole short squeeze thesis to me is sort of a bit of a red herring. The stock trades 100 million shares a day. If you're short the stock, you have ample opportunity, not only on a daily basis, but on a minute-by-minute basis to cover. So there's clearly something else going on here.
When was the last time you traded this stock, Pete?
Not that terribly long ago, Mel, probably within the last month or so. But, you know, there are so many of these names now that are under this category that we talk about each and every day. I mean, for the right reasons. I mean, Guy just mentioned, look at the volumes in the stock and the shares, but also look at the volumes in the options markets. I was just looking at AMC today. It traded 770,000 contracts today. That's a huge number, Mel. I mean, Apple traded 1.4 million. It gives you a little perspective. And yet, you know, we continue to see this day in and day out. There are probably 4, 5, 6 different names each and every day. Some of them I can't even mention because of the market caps and how small they are. But the volumes, the sheer volumes in the stocks and the options are absolutely in the stratosphere right now. So there's a lot of activity. I don't know necessarily that I just credit all that to Robinhood, but I do see a lot of incredible activity every single day now, and it started at the beginning of the year, and it's gone on, and we just continue to add names to the list all the time. AMC still 18% short interest, so there are some shorts out there, and that seems to be part of the categories that everybody's looking at when they're trying to get involved in many of these stocks.